Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic when he's like in the ball form, but not totally a ball, but like where he's like tucked in and he's ready to spin. I'm gonna draw him like that. So at least I'm gonna teach you how to draw him like that. So if you're a beginner, you should be able to draw this. So that's pretty much it. Let's jump into it, okay? All right. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw his nose. It's just a circle, really. Gonna go over here on the top, curve, down, curve. It's gonna be like the, the mouth part. I'm not gonna completely draw that yet, but I'm gonna draw a line out here for the other side of his mouth. Line's gonna come out a bit. Curve. Line up for the side of his eye, the far side of his eye. Curve over here, out, down, in for the kind of the furrow of his eyebrow. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull this arc over here. Arc right there for his eye. Gonna go right here on the far side and draw the pupil and iris. It's just a circle here on this side. Over here on this side, circle here on this side. Fill it in. Over here. Gonna throw a ball here, like a light for the highlight, and fill that in. It's a little weird, so I'm gonna change the shape of it. Forgot. I'm gonna also fill in the nose. I didn't mention that. I'll leave a little bit for a highlight. Okay. Let's go over here for the far end. I'm gonna actually draw his face in. Line up top for the brow, down, curve over here, over here, top of the head here, line. And I'm gonna pull for his spike. Curve over here. I'm gonna draw his far side ear, which is just a triangle. I'm gonna start from the brow, the far side brow. Up, down. And then I'm gonna add an outside layer to that with a larger triangle in the back. Curve here for the top of the foot. Curve down. Like basically it's the shoe, like he's tucking in, right? So draw it down here. Curve underneath. Underneath here. Curve around. Let's go to the top. Down over here. Let's go to the top of the shoe. Curve right here where the foot tucks into the shoe here. It's gonna curve along the back. All right, that's the shoe shape so far. And I'm gonna complete the mouth underneath here. See that bottom shape? I'm gonna continue that line right there. Continue it around here. I was leaving it open on purpose to make room for that, Gonna go over here and draw a smile on him. It's literally just a straight line. Crack of his mouth over there. Gonna go down here, draw a line down for kind of the lower shoe, part of the shoe. Okay, and I'm gonna curve down here, up over here, up to the tip, down. All right. Gonna pull a line here on the inside, the same line there, and that's the bottom of the shoe. See? So far, his feet, it looks like he's wearing his feet on his hands, but he's not. Let's draw his hand next right here, because that's the thing that's pretty next closest to us. And I'm gonna draw a line here for the pinky, here for the next finger, here for the next finger, here for the next finger, down. Line over here, curve in, thumb over here. Wrist, like the, you know, he's at the wrist of the gloves. Over here on this side, curve up. Right here as well. He's got like that same shape on his socks. Gonna find the sock shape for the far side shoe, which is really just like a curve, another curve. And let's put a line here through, 2 lines right there, but it's gonna form that white line of the Sonic's shoe. Over here as well, line, line. All right. Now we have the leg. It's going to be tucked in here, so it's going to curve over here. It's really just going to look like that. Curve line here for his leg. It looks like he's tucking his leg around there. Let's go down with his arm. Straight line down, curve. Line down here and curve. Almost like it's disappearing into nowhere. Line over here. Let's draw the ear before we forget that. I'm gonna go from the hand, up, down, in. That's the inside. Over here, up, down, that's the top. Out for the spike. Now all we gotta do is draw the spikes, really. Well, kinda. The spike over here, it's gonna go in there. Curve of his back. We have his tail. And then we got another spike. Another spike. That's pretty much it, I believe. I think you can kind of throw another spike down there as well that's coming off. And there's usually multiple spikes over here for him because he's in that ball form. And then you can draw like a difference of color here. But that'd be pretty much it as far as his ball form. If you want to draw the flat part of the foot, if you want to put a detail here, draw very thin lines across to make it look dark. I wouldn't really fill it in 100% black or anything, but I would do this. Draw these really thin lines, and this is like style here. It's, you know, it's like you're drawing shadow. Not shadow the character, but shadow on the shoe. Just to kind of differentiate some stuff. And that's it. That's Sonic in starting that ball form, you know, where he kind of turns to a ball. But if I drew the ball, it'd be just a ball. So I had to draw him kind of tucking like that, you know. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you soon. Ooh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification, and please like the video. Likes are what fuel the channel. See ya.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have Same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.